How to fix Mass Effect Legendary Edition not launching on Windows. 1. Disconnect your peripherals. 2. Allow the game, Mass Effect Legendary Launcher, through Windows Defender Firewall. Like this. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Verify the integrity of game files. 4.1. On Steam, 4.2 on Origin, refer to the IMG below. 5. Change system locale and region settings by enabling beta, use Unicode UTF-8 for worldwide language support. Clear Origin caches. 6.1 Delete items at %program data %/origin. Note, keep local content. 6.2 Delete. The Origin folder at %of data %. 6.3 Delete the Origin folder at %of data %/local. 7.